If you are looking for a place to pay your respects to the Australians who have served in any war, the Shrine of Remembrance in Melbourne is the perfect destination. The Shrine of Remembrance is not only a war memorial, but also a museum, a gallery, a garden, and a cultural attraction. It is one of Melbourne's most iconic landmarks and a must-see for anyone interested in the history and heritage of Australia. The Shrine of Remembrance was built between 1927 and 1934. As a tribute to the Victorians who served in the First World War, it was designed by two Melbourne architects, Philip Hudson and James Wardrop, who won a competition for the best design. They were inspired by the ancient monuments of Greece and Egypt, such as the tomb of Mausolus and the pyramids, and used tin on granite as the main material. The shrine features a ziggurat roof, a classical portico, and a stepped pedestal, creating a majestic and solemn impression. The main feature of the shrine is the Stone of Remembrance, located in the central chamber or the sanctuary. The stone is engraved with the words, "Greater love hath no man," taken from the Bible verse John 15:13. The shrine has been expanded and renovated several times to include other conflicts and peacekeeping operations that involved Australians. In 1985, a Remembrance Garden was added to commemorate the post-Second World War conflicts, such as Korea, Malaya, Vietnam, and Afghanistan. In 2003, a visitor center was opened to provide information, education, and hospitality services to the visitors. The shrine also has an eternal flame, a symbol of eternal life that burns continuously on the forecourt. The flame was lit by Queen Elizabeth II in 1954 during her visit to Australia. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.